Tesla vehicles rely heavily on Wi-Fi for over-the-air updates and enhanced connectivity. Connecting to Wi-Fi allows you to download software updates, access streaming services, and improve the overall in-car experience. To connect, navigate to the controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select Software, and finally Wi-Fi settings. Connecting to Wi-Fi allows you to download software updates, which bring new features and improvements to your vehicle. Wi-Fi also lets you access streaming services like Netflix and YouTube, making your drive more enjoyable. This video will guide you through connecting to various Wi-Fi networks and offer tips for optimal performance. When home Wi-Fi is unavailable, use your smartphone as a mobile hotspot to connect your Tesla. Enable the hotspot feature on your Android or iOS device through Settings. Connect your Tesla through the Wi-Fi menu on the touchscreen. Tesla supports tethering via Android Auto or CarPlay integration. Note that hotspot speeds may be limited by your mobile data plan. Tesla can also act as a hotspot itself, allowing up to 5 devices to connect with up to 100 Mbps speeds. Tesla vehicles now include satellite connectivity through a partnership with Starlink. This advanced feature provides a reliable fallback Wi-Fi option in remote areas where traditional terrestrial networks are unavailable or unreliable. In remote locations, such as desert roads or rural areas, standard Wi-Fi signals may not reach. This can prevent your Tesla from downloading important firmware updates or accessing certain features. That's where satellite connectivity comes in. Tesla's integration with Starlink's satellite network provides global coverage, ensuring your vehicle stays connected even in the most remote locations. The Starlink coverage map shows how this satellite network blankets the Earth, providing connectivity where traditional Wi-Fi cannot. This makes it possible for your Tesla to maintain a reliable connection for updates and services. As a fallback Wi-Fi option, satellite connectivity ensures your Tesla can receive critical firmware updates, security patches, and feature enhancements, even when you're far from cellular towers or Wi-Fi hotspots. In the vehicle's software settings, you can see how updates are managed. Satellite connectivity works seamlessly in the background, automatically activating when terrestrial options are unavailable. Tesla delivers software updates via Wi-Fi, especially for data-heavy releases like full self-driving versions. To ensure you receive updates automatically, enable the Auto Download option in the software settings. For optimal download speeds, Tesla recommends using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, which provides faster speeds compared to LTE. To ensure successful firmware updates, always connect to a stable Wi-Fi network with a strong signal strength. Tesla recommends at least 10 Mbps upload speed for efficient updates, and avoid weak signals that could interrupt the download process. During the update process, ensure your Tesla remains awake or connected to a charger. Updates typically require the vehicle to stay powered on, and charging helps maintain battery health while downloading large firmware files. After completing the update, monitor your Tesla for any compatibility issues with third-party apps or features. If you notice problems, perform a reboot by holding the scroll wheels on the steering wheel for a few seconds. Tesla implements end-to-end encryption to protect your vehicle's data during Wi-Fi connections. This ensures that information transmitted between your Tesla and Tesla's servers remains secure and private. Tesla uses advanced encryption protocols, including WPA3, to safeguard your connection. This technology prevents unauthorized access to your vehicle's communications and ensures secure firmware updates. However, public Wi-Fi networks pose significant security risks. Hackers can intercept data on these open networks, potentially accessing sensitive information from your Tesla, such as location data or update details. To minimize risks, always connect your Tesla to secure, password-protected networks. Home Wi-Fi networks or trusted private connections provide the safest environment for downloading updates and maintaining your vehicle's security. Tesla is evolving towards always-on connectivity, where Wi-Fi seamlessly integrates with autonomous driving features like full self-driving. Future developments include deeper AI-driven optimizations that predict and queue updates based on your driving habits, ensuring smoother experiences on long trips. Integration with Wi-Fi 7 technology promises gigabit speeds, while adoption of 6 GHz bands will reduce urban congestion. The expansion of Starlink satellite connectivity could eventually make traditional cellular plans unnecessary for many Tesla owners, providing reliable coverage even in remote areas and during emergencies.